100 people trying to keep me down. I've taken all I can. I ain't looking back. Small town boy in a backyard lot. Can't make a living with the luck I got. I'm gonna leave it all. I ain't looking back. That's the way I remember.
All right, this is Mr. McMurray, and we're here for epithelial tissues. All right, so hopefully you've seen all the notes before now, so this should look somewhat familiar. What I'd like you to do is label each of the pictures. If it is just a single cell, like number 9, number 10, number 6, number 7, and so on, you just need to write what kind of cell it is. Is it squamish or squashed? Is it cuboidal, which means it's about as tall as it is wide? Or is it columnar, which means it's taller than it is wide? All right. So on these ones that are single cells, you would just pick the 3 of those to put. Now, for the ones that have layers, more than one cell, they have layers. Now, just for the record, this bottom part down here is the basement membrane and the connective tissue that they're attached to. Don't worry about that part, okay? It's just these top parts here, like up here, all this. The little wavy line things underneath it, that's just that basement membrane or connective tissue. That's not actually part of the epithelium. And so if it has layers, you're going to need to tell me if it's simple, which is one layer, or if it's stratified, which is more than one layer, and then tell me the type of cell. Is it squamous? So you could have like simple squamish, simple cuboidal, simple columnar, or you could have stratified squamish, or stratified columnar, or stratified cuboidal. All right, any of those would work. All right, now some of these also come off the chart. There's some this one you notice changes. It can go from this to that and back to that. So think about what that would be called based on our flow chart with the epithelial tissue. Okay. Now, there's a bonus down here. This one is not in any of the stuff we covered, but you may be able to find it in the book or somewhere else, so you can find the answer there. And this one, first of all, these examples, mammary gland or milk glands are an example of this one. Sebaceous and oil glands are an example of this one. And the thyroid gland is an example of this one. But you don't have to label these down here. All you need to do is tell me of these two, which one's endocrine, which one's exocrine glands, okay? Based on their structure, and whether they have a duct or not, whether they go into the blood or not, you should be able to tell me which one is which, okay? Now, once you have labeled those, then you may submit it, and you will be done. That's pretty short, painless, and, well, relatively painless. Anyhow, and so if you'll submit that, and have a good weekend, we will have the quiz on the epithelial notes, the 2 flow charts that we've had so far. But that will be on Monday, okay? I'm going to be out on Monday, so I think we'll just have that, put that quiz off till then, because you need to do this worksheet also, and I did not get it posted yesterday. So that's where we look at for that. So see you Monday on the quiz, or Miss Wood will see you Monday on the quiz, but whatever, you get the idea. All right, have a good weekend.